Craving something sweet but want to protect your gut health? What if I told you that you don't need to sacrifice flavor for a healthy gut? You can satisfy your sweet tooth and support those good bacteria working hard in your gut. Hey there, champ. I help people like you enjoy delicious food without compromising gut health. We all deserve a life full of flavor and good digestion, right? Today, I'm going to share some easy and delicious dessert swaps that not only satisfy your sweet tooth, but also improve your gut health. Stay till the end of the video, where I'll share my favorite dessert idea. Let's start with a classic, Greek yogurt parfait. Now, this isn't your average sugary parfait. We're talking about a gut-healthy powerhouse, packed with protein, probiotics, and fiber. The base of our parfait is, you guessed it, Greek yogurt. But not just any Greek yogurt. We're going for the unsweetened kind. Why? Because excess sugar can disrupt the balance of good and bad bacteria in your gut. Unsweetened Greek yogurt is naturally tangy, so to add a touch of sweetness, we'll use a drizzle of raw honey. Honey is a natural prebiotic, meaning it feeds those beneficial bacteria in your gut. Next, let's add some crunch and healthy fats with a sprinkle of your favorite nuts. Almonds, walnuts, pecans, they all bring something special to the table. And for a burst of flavor and antioxidants, we'll top it off with fresh berries. Whether you prefer blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, these colorful fruits add sweetness and important nutrients to your parfait. Finally, to boost the fiber content even further, sprinkle on some chia seeds. Chia seeds are like tiny gut superheroes, absorbing water and forming a gel that aids digestion. This Greek yogurt parfait is not only delicious, but also incredibly versatile. You can customize it with your favorite fruits, nuts, and toppings. Next up, we have chia pudding, a dessert that's as good for your taste buds as it is for your gut. Chia seeds, despite their tiny size, are nutritional powerhouses, packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. When chia seeds are combined with liquid, they create a pudding-like texture that is both satisfying and incredibly versatile. To make this gut-healthy dessert, you only need a few simple ingredients. Start with a quarter cup of chia seeds and combine them with a cup of your preferred milk alternative. I recommend unsweetened almond milk for its creamy texture and neutral flavor. For a touch of sweetness, add a tablespoon of pure maple syrup. Maple syrup not only adds flavor, but also contains trace amounts of minerals and antioxidants. Give the mixture a good stir, making sure all the chia seeds are evenly dispersed. Cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow the chia seeds to work their magic and create that delightful pudding consistency. Now, here's where the fun begins. You can customize your chia pudding with endless flavor combinations. For a chocolatey treat, stir in a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. If you prefer a tropical twist, add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and top with sliced mango. The possibilities are truly endless with chia pudding. You can enjoy it for breakfast, as a snack, or even as a healthy dessert. Dark chocolate avocado mousse, the guilt-free indulgence. Now, who's in the mood for something decadent and chocolatey? This next dessert swap is so good, you won't believe it's actually good for you. Let me introduce you to the magic of dark chocolate avocado mousse. Yes, you heard that right. Avocado in a dessert. But trust me on this one. Avocado's creamy texture and subtle flavor make it the perfect base for a healthy and decadent mousse. The star of the show here is dark chocolate. Look for dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao content, as it's lower in sugar and higher in antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage and promote overall health. To make this mousse, you'll need 1 ripe avocado, half a cup of melted dark chocolate, a quarter cup of unsweetened almond milk, and a touch of sweetness. I prefer to use a tablespoon of maple syrup, but you can adjust the amount to your liking. Simply combine all the ingredients in a food processor or blender and blend until smooth and creamy. You can enjoy this mousse immediately or chill it in the fridge for a more refreshing treat. The combination of dark chocolate and avocado creates a flavor profile that is both rich and satisfying, without any of the guilt associated with traditional chocolate mousse. Plus, you're getting a healthy dose of fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants in every bite. Baked apples with cinnamon. Comfort food with a gut-healthy twist. Let's move on to a classic comfort dessert that's been given a gut-healthy makeover. Baked apples with cinnamon. This warm and inviting dessert is not only delicious, but also incredibly easy to make. Apples are a fantastic source of fiber, particularly a type of soluble fiber called pectin. Pectin acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. To make this gut-friendly dessert, you'll need a few crisp apples, such as Granny Smith or Honeycrisp. Wash and core the apples, leaving the bottom intact. In a small bowl, combine a tablespoon of melted coconut oil, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a pinch of sea salt. Coconut oil is a healthy fat that's easy to digest and provides a subtle sweetness. Spoon the cinnamon mixture into the cored apples, making sure to coat the inside evenly. Place the apples in a baking dish and pour a quarter cup of water into the bottom of the dish to prevent sticking. Bake the apples in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for 30 to 40 minutes, or until tender when pierced with a fork. For an extra layer of flavor and texture, sprinkle the baked apples with a tablespoon of chopped walnuts or pecans before serving. You can also add a dollop of unsweetened coconut yogurt or a drizzle of almond butter for a more decadent treat. Coconut flour brownies, grain-free and gut-friendly goodness. Satisfy your brownie cravings without derailing your gut health. Coconut flour brownies. These brownies are grain-free, lower in sugar, and packed with gut-healthy ingredients. Coconut flour is naturally gluten-free, high in fiber, and low in carbohydrates. It's easier to digest than wheat flour, great for sensitive stomachs. You'll need coconut flour, cocoa powder, melted coconut oil, maple syrup, eggs, vanilla extract, and sea salt. Preheat your oven to 350 degree ice and line an 888-inch baking pan with parchment paper. Combine dry ingredients in one bowl and wet ingredients in another. Mix until a smooth batter forms, then pour into the pan. Bake for 25-30 minutes. Let cool before slicing and serving. These brownies are rich, fudgy, and incredibly satisfying. Sweeten your day the gut-healthy way. There you have it, 5 delicious dessert swaps that not only satisfy your sweet tooth, but also nourish your gut. From probiotic-rich Greek yogurt parfaits to fiber-packed chia puddings, these desserts prove that you don't have to sacrifice flavor for gut health. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these dessert swaps are you most excited to try? Do you have any favorite gut-friendly dessert recipes you'd like to share? Leave a comment below and let me know. Remember, a healthy gut is a happy gut. And when your gut is happy, you're happy. For more tips and science-based strategies to live a happier, healthier lifestyle, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and check out my next video. Eat well, live well,